Well, hello everybody. KP on trail. We're up north of Elkin. I think around Roaring Gap, North Kakalaka. We're gonna do Wells Gap. So a parking lot, and then you got a little bit of a road up here, and then I believe the trail spawns off into the forest. So we'll see how that goes. We got an old hut right there. I'd be probably up here, but assuming this is your easement. It said go 150 feet and look for a trailhead. So that's what we're working on today. Blue skies, a little cloudy, not too bad. Let's see where this takes us. All right, I'll check back with you. I found the trailhead right above this. Look at this creek, man. Pretty up here. You got the mountains in the back. But yeah, this is part of the Mountains and Sea Trail. And this part of the, I guess this would be eastbound that we're on, because the trailhead, you're either going to Stone Mountain or Elkin. So we're headed toward Elkin. So here's your little blue dot. They don't have blazes, they just have white circles on the MST to tell you what you're doing. So yeah, this ought to be good, man. Let's see how this lovely trail goes. Got a creek crossing ahead of us, it looks like. So all right, I'll check back with you. So that's where we came from. Heart of the forest. I see the pines starting to pop out. MST right here. But other than that, I ain't seeing much of life, but again, we're halfway through March, so you're gonna start to see life come back to the forest. But it's been a gradual uphill most of the way, a few things, but so far a nice little hike this Sunday afternoon. So yeah, looks like we're just gonna go along to get along. Maybe up this little knob up here. Maybe that's where the finish line is. We'll find out when we get up there. But all right, like I said, beautiful up here. Partly cloudy, sunny, but not too bad at all. Still burning up a sweat. So all right, I'll get back on trail and I'll talk to you later. All right. That is where we came from. You can kind of see it when it worms its way, but we've been going pretty much straight up with some sidewinders, whatever that's called. I can't think of the right word right now, I'm tired. But look at the views. Got the hills in the back, mountains, and we are, like I said, that's where we came from. And I believe the knob is up there somewhere. And as you can see, it's going up, 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 up. Like I said, cloudy skies, not too bad. See some birdies flying, but I'm trying to get in the video, but obviously, it's not working. It's all right, that's what I'm working on. We're getting there slowly but surely, but the views are getting better the higher we get up. All right, I'll check back with you. Hello, everybody. KB on top of the Wells Knob. Not too shabby up here. Not the greatest of views, but you can see down in the valleys and stuff, so. Pretty good hike coming up though. Get your workout. And it's part of the MST too, so. Not a bad little day. A little windy, overcast, but I'm not complaining.